Hey everyone, for today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to join a Discord server without an invite. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to get in a server easily. So, if you don't have an invite from someone and you really want to join a server, there is one very easy way to get a server. So you're gonna want to go ahead and open your chat and then type https://discord.gg/ and then type whatever you want. So I'm just gonna type meow and it's gonna load. Just wait for it a bit. If it doesn't work, you can go ahead and try to copy the text, tap on the plus icon, join a server, and then tap on this join server, and there you go. You can always change what the link will be. So go ahead, join server. I'm gonna paste that, and let's say woof, and there you go. It's very simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions, feel free to comment down below.